the odds are in your favor in this business. So all you people wanting to learn this trade, everybody needs you all the time. And there's not that many people doing it. So just go out there, you do the job, you get the check. It's better to get a little as you go rather than, trying to hit it on one big check and hopefully you get it. Then you got to do all this work. Normally, when you get jobs like that, you got to keep people busy too. You can't just, when you get a big job, go hire people then and lay them off. So in this business, you can do it yourself. You could go out and do 3 of these a day. You'll be making like 2,300 and something a day. Springs don't cost nothing. They're cheap. Like that job I was just at, see those guys building the fence and they had to mix concrete. They had to put an outhouse there where they can go to the bathroom and do all that. They're gonna be there for a while and they're gonna be doing all that boring every day, going to the same job. Here, I'm already out. 30 minutes later, I'm going to eat at a nice restaurant over here and wait for the next one to come in. Whether it comes in or not, I don't care. I already made 800 today almost. And I'm not really needing the money. So, but if you need the money, you can market yourself and do these all day long. People calling you all day long, you going out making this easy money. You're never gonna make money this easy in your life. So this is your chance. Get on it. Start making the money. It ain't gonna get any greener. Anyway, take my word as good advice and get out there, start making money and enjoy your life. Spend money, make money, eat good. Don't waste your time trying to do anything else because nothing's worth it. Consider garage door training, be a garage door technician. If you don't want to do this full time, that's fine, but I have a feeling once you start doing it, you're not going to want to do whatever you're doing. You'll have so much spare time that you're not going to want to be at a job all day. I'll coach you all the way until you're getting calls. You won't believe it once you start making this kind of money. And you'll have so much free time, you'll feel good. Wake up, everybody. Go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Start making this kind of money. Over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.